First, how to boil pasta in 20 seconds. Soak the pasta in water for 3 hours before cooking. It's best to prepare it the day before and keep it in the fridge. It will be fine for 2 to 3 days in the fridge, so it's convenient to keep it on hand. Make the sauce before boiling the pasta. 1 teaspoon of miso, 1 tablespoon of coconut cream or milk, 1 tablespoon of white wine, 1/4 teaspoon of nuch, 1/4 teaspoon of porcini powder, a dash of garlic powder, a dash of kombu stock powder. This is for 1 serving. Easy. Just mix. If adding a herb such as parsley, perilla, or mitsuba, chop it up as needed. The pasta soaked in water the day before. It's rehydrated and soft. Drain and then boil. The amount of water is just enough to cover the pasta. It doesn't have to be a lot. It boils quickly because it is very little water. The amount of salt is also little. Turn up the heat and put the pasta in. Quickly loosen it. Cooking time is 20 seconds for any type of pasta. The color changes instantly, letting you know it's cooked. Not only does this method save water and gas, it also improves the texture. Drain and toss with the sauce. If you are adding a herb, add it now. When topped with coconut cream for extra creaminess, and nori for a sea flavor, it's even more delicious. Especially nori. It makes it so tasty, I highly recommend adding it. Super easy pasta sauce that lets you enjoy the deliciousness of sea urchin. Enjoy!